Have you ever pondered about the silent architects of the universe, the smallest building blocks that construct the world as we know it? Yes, atoms. Fact 1. Everything around us, from the air we breathe to the ground beneath our feet, consists of atoms. These minuscule entities are the fundamental units of matter, and there are more than 100 different types of atoms, each representing a distinct element. Fact 2. Atoms themselves consist of even smaller particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons form the atom's nucleus, while electrons whirl around this nucleus in a cloud-like formation. Fact 3. The number of protons in an atom's nucleus determines what element it is. For instance, hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2, and so forth. Fact 4. Atoms are mostly empty space. If an atom were to be enlarged to the size of a stadium, its nucleus would be no bigger than a pea in the center, with the electrons orbiting far out in the bleachers. Fact 5. Despite their minuscule size, atoms are always in motion. Even in solid objects, atoms vibrate and jostle against each other, and in gases, they move freely and rapidly. Fact 6. Atoms can join together to form molecules, which are the building blocks for everything in the universe. For example, 2 hydrogen atoms bond with 1 oxygen atom to create a water molecule. Fact 7. Atoms are neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions. Instead, they rearrange to form new substances. This principle is known as the law of conservation of mass. Fact 8. Atoms are not the smallest particles in existence. Protons and neutrons are made up of even tinier particles called quarks. Fact 9. Atoms can split in a process known as nuclear fission, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This principle underpins nuclear power and atomic weapons. Fact 10. Conversely, atoms can also combine in a process called nuclear fusion. This is how the sun produces energy, by fusing hydrogen atoms together to form helium. Fact 11. Atoms are ancient. Some of the atoms in your body were created in the heart of a star billions of years ago. Fact 12. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different numbers of neutrons. This can make them unstable, leading to radioactivity. Fact 13. Atoms can exist in different states, known as phases, including solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. The phase depends on the temperature and pressure. Fact 14. Quantum mechanics governs the behavior of atoms, leading to phenomena such as superposition, where an atom can be in 2 places at once. Fact 15. Despite their tiny size, atoms make up the vast majority of the universe's mass, with dark matter and dark energy making up the rest. In essence, atoms are the microscopic building blocks of the universe, each one a tiny universe in itself, buzzing with activity. They form the air, the water, the stars, and even us. They are in constant motion, can combine or split to release energy, and follow the strange rules of quantum mechanics. Despite their minuscule size, atoms in their multitude make up the vast majority of the universe's mass. So the next time you take a breath, remember, you're inhaling billions of these little architects of existence.